Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is an electric lighter. How cool is that? This electric lighter from Leejie has really great power to it. It's rechargeable, by the way, so it comes with a little charger cable. You plug it in and it charges it right up. Because if you're like me, my lighters always go dead, I lose my matches, and then I'm always stuck at home not being able to light a candle or start a campfire or anything like that because I never have a lighter that is functioning. So having this electric lighter has really saved me so many times because when I need it, it's here. If I need to recharge it, it's super easy. It also has an on and off switch, so the blue light lets me know that it's on, and then now I know that it's off. So I really appreciate having that safety feature, knowing that you're not going to accidentally electrocute yourself with fire all of a sudden. I do always lose things a lot, or we do little campfires in the backyard, and having a white color just makes sure it pops out, it stands out. If we're doing anything outside at night, it won't be as easy for me to use. So that's why I picked the white color. If it's time for a lighter, you should definitely check out this electric lighter because not only is it compact, it's lightweight, it's rechargeable, so you're never going to be without a lighter. It's overall an amazing purchase, but that's just my point of view.